What's up, guys? You wouldn't walk around with a bunch of stuff on your lenses, right? You can't see anything. Same thing goes for your glass. Don't drive around with dirty glass. I'm gonna show you how to clean it up right now. There is one mistake that most people make when cleaning their glass. I'm gonna show you what that is right now. You wanna see a nice before and after? This is the before window, and this is the after window. Night and day difference. You'd think it was a cleaner, but I promise you, you can use several different cleaners. We have a bunch here at Chemical Guys that you could use to clean this window, this glass. The number one mistake that most people make is their towel choice. That's right. You can grab those little yellow towels from your big warehouse, but they're not gonna be as good as a waffle weave towel. Now, if you've never heard of a waffle weave towel before, you're in for a big treat, just like you'd be in for a treat if you were getting a waffle for breakfast. The cool thing about a waffle is that it's got these little ridges in it, right? And so when you pour your syrup in there, it kind of holds the syrup in those little crevices, right? So the same thing applies with glass and glass cleaner. When you're wiping with just a regular microfiber towel, chances are you're just streaking the liquid across the surface versus scooping it up with a waffle weave towel. I'm gonna clean the inside so you guys can truly see the effect of this on the outside. What I'm gonna do is fold my waffle weave into fours and just give it a nice wipe down in one direction, not the band, just the actual x-axis. All right, so I've gone ahead and cleaned the inside of the glass so that we can really see the difference here. You can see on the exterior how filthy this glass is. You see water spots, dirt. If I rub my finger on it, it's coming off of my finger. You can see a nice little mark right here. It's pretty filthy. So I'm gonna grab our glass only, pop the top, shake the bottle a little bit, and just give it a nice quick run through on the glass, right? Nice light coating. At this point, you can grab either your CleanStroke or your waffle weave. If you're lucky enough right now on our website, chemicalguys.com, to get the newest addition to these towels called the CleanStroke, that's this guy right here. They keep selling out, guys. So that's why I say if you're lucky to get one, check it out, check out the site. If they're in stock, pick one up. This has our amazing Loop Tech twisted loop microfiber weave on one side, and on the other side is a waffle weave texture. So it's the best of both worlds. You can wipe your glass clean with this side and then flip to this side and buff it. If these are out of stock or they don't have them, you can just pick up a regular waffle weave towel as well. They come in blue and red, same thing. They're both high performance. They've got that silky banded edges here. I'm gonna choose the CleanStroke for this one and basically fold it into fours. I'm gonna use the Loop Tech side first to basically scrub all this dirt off. Look at that, comes right off. It's basically clean already. All the dirt, filth, and grime is on this side. We're gonna flip to the waffle weave side, which is now gonna absorb any residue that's left on the windshield or window, whatever you're using this on, and you're just gonna actually buff it this way, right? To get the remainder off here. And what you're left with is absolutely crystal clear glass. I might have missed some pieces on the inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the inside just so we can make sure that this is actually crystal clear. But in sections like this, you can see it is perfectly visible and clear. And you no longer have dirty glass. You can actually see what you're doing. You can see cars to your right and left and in front of you, which is kind of important when you're driving. I mean, I'm not an expert, but I think it's important to be able to see when you're driving. Just food for thought, okay? Let me finish the inside to make sure we actually have this super clean. All right, guys, and that's it. Look how crystal clear this glass is with just a waffle weave towel. That's all it takes, guys, to achieve that glass. So, number one mistake, now corrected. This is now gonna be your number one pro tip and number one favorite towel. Either one of these three. Definitely have it in your arsenal, have it in your collection, and start cleaning glass the right way. If you wanna see a nice before and after, this is the before window. And this is the after window. Night and day difference. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rest of this glass up and make sure that my friend with this car can actually see where he's going today. And we'll see you on the next one. Leave your comments down below. What should we clean next? What should we do? Get your products at 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗍.com or your local detail garage, wherever you like to get your products. We're everywhere, guys. Just pick them up. Just pick them up. Come on. What are you still doing here? Go to the store. Get on your computer.